babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shayla, and I know you probably like, Shayla, where have you been? Shayla, what's tea? What's new? So honestly, y'all, I have just been focusing on life and the business. That's as simple as I can put it. I am the CEO of Shayla J Beauty, where I make whipped body butters, sugar scrubs. I make my own lip glosses, which are vegan and cruelty free, of course. I also sell mink lashes currently, but honestly, y'all, I think that once I get rid of this inventory, I might not be restocking. If you want to shop, the link is in the bio. The lashes are discounted. They're like $7 and like 15 or 50 cents or something like that. I discounted them for y'all because I am trying to get them gone. I need them gone. But anywho, your girl is elevating, okay? And I am very much so taking my business seriously, which any small business owner should. Okay, it's already hard enough when you're a quote-unquote small business owner, right? Because you don't really be getting the support that you want, like some of these bigger brands. But it's okay. Take it day by day, and one day we're going to get there. Period. So, your girl did a thing, and I'm excited, y'all. So, let me just show you. Period. Okay. So, I purchased some custom packing tape. And as you can tell, this ain't no regular tape, honey. This ain't no regular plastic tape. This is custom packaging tape that's water activated. Yeah. So you know how like when you buy your stuff off of Amazon, how they have that little nice tape, that good thick tape that you actually got to cut off or rip off? I bought it, girl. I bought it. Now, I bought this from a company called Mule. And this is not sponsored at all in any way, shape, or form. But hey, if you want to sponsor me, Mule, you can sponsor me. But I did buy this with my own coins. And I'm so happy that I did because I am definitely trying to elevate my own packaging, okay? Because I want people to, when you buy from me, know that you're buying from somebody who really, truly love and appreciate you. I love each and every one of my customers. Y'all are like my besties, okay? Like, and I have customers low-key around the world now. So your girl is hype. But this is just me doing, just me paying my respects, right? When you buy something from me, I want you to know that not only did I spend a lot of time making the products, because all of them I make by myself with my own hands. I do have a stand mixer now, so that helps. But you get the gist. I make them by myself, so it's very time-consuming. So I want to show you I appreciate you in little things that I do, whether that's giving you a free product or just elevating my packaging so that you know that I appreciate you. So yes, y'all, let's get into it. Not too much on my nails. I need to cut them, but y'all see, I'm so hyped. Now, I am going to eventually get the dispenser. I found one on Amazon, so I'm going to get me a dispenser to make it easier so that, because currently what I've been doing is just, just cutting them with some scissors and just patting it with some, like a sponge to activate the tape. But once I get the dispenser, it'll be easy. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys that. But yeah, y'all, Sticker Mule, I got these from there. This is the 300 feet, packaging tape. They have like different sizes, but I think this is absolutely perfect for what I have now, like the amount of orders that I have now. So I'm excited about that. And I do have a $10 off code that you guys can use if you're interested. If you have a small business and you are interested in getting some custom water activated tape, you can use the link below. It gives you $10 off of your order. So if you want to save some coins, I definitely recommend you to do that. So yes, this is just a quick little video. I wanted to say that I am back. I am definitely trying to commit to making more YouTube videos. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Go ahead and like this video. So just stay tuned. I'll make more videos with you guys. I want you to see just me in action, whether that's day in the life of a small business owner, what it's like when I make my products, some behind the scenes, me packaging orders, things of that sort. And if you have any suggestions, leave them down below in the comments. I would love to read what you guys what you guys are interested in. I know people like unboxing videos, like little ASMR videos. So just let me know so that I can schedule accordingly and plan accordingly content for this channel. So, all right, babes. Love you. See y'all later.